Hello folks. Well, as I alluded to in my last video about this Blade 360 where I showed how to repair it, here's how I also make floats for these small helicopters. And the reason behind them for me is that they beef up the landing gear, they lift the helicopter a little bit higher from the ground, and it's especially for in-flight visibility, especially what I need these days, and especially with the sun in my face too. Well, you can easily spray paint these any color you want. I'm leaving them white here to match my landing gear. But you do want to paint them first before you do this next step. So here's how I make them. Alright, let's take it out and see how it looks in the sky. Well, one thing that makes me feel uncomfortable is the fact that the Swashplate returns the center really slow. It says that in the manual as well, but with all my other helicopters, the Swashplate and servos move at the same speed as the stick. I'm used to that. I find myself being sloppy with it as I'm used to the servos moving proportionally with the transmitter stick. The servos move out alright, but they just return slow. Well, I gotta see how to turn that down or off. Anybody else out there experience this? If you got a solution, let me know. And thank you so much, Ilea, for shooting the video. That's it for today, folks. Thanks a lot for watching this The Old Man Flies Helicopter. And thank you, Scott. This is Dave Herbert, the Night Flyer. We'll see you next time.